beans, trees, and okra coming up.
You do?
Yeah.
Look at here. She's making you some... Watch this.
What flavor is it, Gracie?
You making that for Grandpa?
Yeah. What's it taste like?
Chocolate.
What's it taste like, Gracie?
What's it taste like, Gracie? Gracie.
Is it good?
No.
It's not good? Oh, you're still mixing.
You still mixing it? Okay.
Yeah. You want Grandpa to taste it? Grandpa? Say taste, Grandpa.
Mmm. Thank you.
How is it?
I can't wait till I have some.
Mmm. Is it good? Good? Good job, Gracie. You cooked good. Mmm. No, we're not going to use that. What's it taste like? Like chowy. Mmm. Good?
Yeah.
Does it need anything else? Mmm.
Gracie, will Daddy like that?
Who else is going to like that? Hmm? What a good cook. Oops. Keep your hair out of this.
What happened?
Oh, look, Grandma tastes. Oh, Gracie, that's so good. Good cooking. You done?
Gracie, yummy?
Yep.
I think that was a nope to you, Nana.
Is it yummy?
Yep. Okay, go.
It's not yummy yet?
Go.
You're cooking. Cook.
Okay, wow, look at your shirt, too. You can tell you're a cook. You need an apron.
Grandma's got an apron for Gracie.
Oh.
Oh, you found the whipped cream. What's that? Is that chocolate? Gracie? Is that chocolate? You're not answering.